we're just gonna make a classic trifle with a bit of a Singaporean twist. So it is gonna be an onde trifle. We're not gonna do anything too fancy over here, and we're gonna let your creativity and imagination take you through.
It's our Pak Tor night today, so we are glad that we enjoyed a sweet little treat afterwards.
This is actually my second time over here. Last year we did a collaboration once again with Volkswagen to do a bento workshop, and today it was really nice to see how everyone from different backgrounds, young and old, everyone came together to put something that is of similar ingredients, but they still had the chance to put their own creative flair to it.
Volkswagen.